Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Mubr and signing in. This is where the app links to your profile and preferences. Once you've authenticated, make sure to accept the permission prompts so features can run smoothly. You'll land on the dashboard. Scan the main cards to see suggested actions. Tap the primary action button to begin a flow. If you haven't completed profile details, fill name and payment method now to avoid interruptions later. You now move through Mubr's core task. Select the workflow you need and follow each on-screen prompt. As you enter details, check fields for validation hints. Mistakes block progress. Use the preview or summary step to confirm everything looks right and tap Confirm to proceed. If a step requires external data, the app will pause and request it. Supply that quickly so the flow doesn't time out. Keep an eye on progress indicators to gauge completion. You finish by reviewing the final summary and tapping Complete. This commits the transaction or saved settings. Once done, enable cloud sync or periodic backups to preserve changes across devices. Make sure notifications and receipts are enabled so you receive confirmations. If something goes wrong, errors, stalled steps, or missing data, first try clearing the app cache and signing out, then back in. Rerun the workflow after relaunching. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.